So we've got the K series in here, and now we've got a whole list of other things that we need to do before we can get the car running. Alright, this is the first start for our right-hand drive Integra Type R. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora, that's Bo, and we're going to be working on the right-hand drive Integra Type R build. We're getting ready to drop the K-Series in the car, and this is going to be so exciting. Hopefully we're going to be able to get its first start and everything goes smoothly. So let's go ahead and get started. The K-Series just got its new paint job. I think it turned out really great. The Hyper Black looks so cool. And we also got a new valve cover that we're going to swap on here. The difference is with the other one, instead of saying Honda Motor Company, it only says Honda. So that's going to look a lot better, we think. And you're going to love the color and just how it looks with the engine. Can't wait to show you guys when it's finished. But for now, we're going to go ahead and tackle this box of engine accessories. We got to get all this stuff put on the engine. That way we can bolt the transmission to it and get it taken off the engine stand. Then you know what that means. We're going to be dropping it in the car and hopefully having our first start pretty soon. Alrighty guys, we're finally about to get this engine off the stand. As you can see from the box, we just finished installing the clutch. And we've got pretty much all of the other engine accessories put on here. We're just missing the intake manifold and a couple other things. But right now we're getting ready to bolt the transmission to the engine. So that is going to be awesome. I'll show you whenever we're finished. Check it out, y'all. The K-Series is ready to be dropped in the car. And it's looking good. We have all the accessories and everything put on it. We went ahead and installed the header. And now we're gonna head on out and get it put in the car. We don't have a lift or anything, so we're gonna go ahead and just jack the car up and get the K-Series up underneath it and then just lower it down. So let's go ahead and head on out. Get ready to do all that. This is going to be so awesome, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put y'all on a time lapse while we get the K24 installed. The Integra is officially K-swapped. How you feeling, babe? I know. Everybody, go give him so much love down in the comments. He has done so much work over the past, well, we've been working on it for 2 years, but we've been hitting it super hard, probably the last like 6 to 8 months. We've been working so hard.
Last month, been going extra hard.
Yeah, yeah, literally. We've been staying up till like 1 in the morning, getting up for work, coming home, working all night. I mean, we've been doing that for a while. But this man is amazing. Yeah, we went ahead and got the engine harness up out of the way so we wouldn't scratch it. The K24 looks so good in here. We still need to finish the valve cover. but that's gonna look awesome whenever it's done. So we've got the K series in here, and now we've got a whole list of other things that we need to do before we can get the car running. But we've got the engine harness hooked up, and now we're working on hooking up wires, power wires that go to the starter and the alternator.
Yep, we're remaking the alternator charging wire and the battery cable for the starter. Because everything's been relocated and redone, so.
Yeah.
Gotta remake it all.
All right, y'all, we're at the point of about to be trying for our first start.
Not quite. We still gotta do some things.
Yeah.
Still gotta fill it up with oil. Repin the DSS plug so it doesn't throw a check engine light for not having that hooked up.
Well, we still got a few things to do, but we're working on getting the tires put back on. We've got the radiator installed, axles, pretty much everything in the engine bay that we need. So we're getting really close, and we'll check back in whenever we're about to start it. You just about ready to fire it up?
Yeah, I just got the battery tightened up. I think we're about ready to turn the key on and see what happens.
All right, do we need to check for fuel leaks?
Yeah, definitely. Just come over here. Basically, you need to check right here where this fitting's hooked up, right there. Check down there at the filter to the regulator. Just need to check all the fuel lines. Here's the feed line. Make sure it's not wet right here. Make sure it's not wet right here. Make sure there.
Okay.
The return should be good. But
all right, let's see what happens.
Before, so I think the fuel pump will come on. And then also look at the gauge for pressure. So yeah, right now we have 0. See the gauge, it's kind of hard to see, but you see right now we're at 0.
Yeah.
Check and see if we can get fuel pressure, that way we know the pump's coming on. Alright.
Yeah, the gauge is moving.
I hear the fuel pump.
No, I don't see any leaks.
Staticky ass radios only.
Yeah, I don't see any leaks, babe. Let's see what happens.
You don't see any leaks?
No, I don't see any leaks.
Alright.
I think we're ready to see what happens. I'm so excited. It went up to I saw it go up to 60.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Okay. Alright, this is the first start for our right-hand drive, Integra Type R. Hopefully it's gonna start. Yes! Oh, babe, good job.
It's been a long time coming.
Oh my god.
2.5 years. Got a vacuum leak right there. That needs to be hooked up to the booster.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see steam coming out when I shut it on.
Alright.
So it's extra loud, but. Woo,
Oh man. Oh, I can't believe it. That's awesome, babe. Great job.
Man, I'm so stoked.
Alright, so the car started. What's next? We've got to finish up a couple things on the interior. Like getting the clutch going and the shifter cables and the shifter, the center console. Lead the brakes. Yeah, finish up a little bit in the engine bay. Just kind of get the finishing touches done with the car.
Starting's a big milestone, but
Yeah. We've just got to finish everything up. And then for the grand finale, we're going to be buffing the whole car.
Wet sanding and buffing.
Oh, yeah. Wet sanding and buffing.
Sanding it and then buffing it back to a shine, which is going to, yeah, be a pain in the butt.
Yup. So the fun is not quite over yet, but we're getting really close.
I think I'm going to save that part for you to do.
Oh, yeah? Did I get to buff the car?
Yeah.
Yup. Gotta learn at some point, huh? But we're really happy, guys. The car is looking really great.
Looks like we might actually make it to import face-off. I still got a lot to do, but at least it started.
Yep, we'll see you guys there.
Hopefully.
We got it started, Bo. The Type R's running now. What's up, guys? I'm just out back unwinding a little bit. I've got some hot chocolate, listening to music, and just really happy with how everything went today. Can't believe we got our first start. It popped off a lot faster than I expected, and we're just over the moon excited. Hopefully we're going to be making it out to import face-off. We just need to get the car buffed and get the finishing touches put on it. So we're getting really close, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want to keep following along with the build and all our other future projects that we have coming up. I don't want y'all to miss out on anything because we have lots of fun. And thank y'all for being here. I'll see you in the next video.